Chloe the beautiful. How you doing, babe?
I'm making an X.
You're what?
Making an X in a wall.
Oh. I love you.
Me too.
Shortness. Trying to get you to look at the camera.
Okay, that was not me.
That was not you? Who was it?
That was someone else.
Mrs. Incredible?
Yeah.
Mrs. Fantastic?
Yeah, Mrs. Fantastic.
Mrs. Fantastical? I can't see your face no more. There it is. Lexi girl. Lexi girl. Don't make the weird face.